Ooh-wee. New diamond cut, y'all. Never before seen, man. Some people call them the leaf cuts. Man, I got so many names in the lives today. Thank you guys so much for that tapped into the lives. Y'all feel free to jump in the comments. Support your boy, man. Support the channel. We trying to keep building, man. Trying to keep building. I'm getting better and better. Thank you, everybody, once again, that been referring people to the page, to the business, man. This is how it's done. I sure appreciate you guys because it is allowing us to continue to keep growing. We want to do work for everybody, man. We want to eventually become one of the premiers. Some of them think we are, but we are steady grinding and steady trying to grow, y'all. Been working today, y'all, so been having a good time. God is good, you know. But thank you guys for tapping in and for supporting the crew, man. This is I guess they call it the leaf cut, man. Y'all let me know. Jump in the comments and let me know what you guys think it should be called. And like I said, this will be going up on the website later tonight. If you want to know the name of this, just go ahead and jump in the inbox. And if you want to know the cost on a 6-on-6, you're probably looking at about $9.50, 8 and 8, looking at closer to 11. These cuts are quite a bit of labor, man. You got to do the diamond dust and then come back with these deep cuts with this different new pattern. You know, Seattle Grillz is always trying to ramp it up. Keep it moving upwards. Up, then it's up, then it's up. Shout out to Cardi B on that one, man. She be banging them out, man. Anybody hating on her has lost your dang mind. That girl's nice. But yeah, man, this is him. The deep cuts on there, man. Give you that leaf cut. My guy wanted the extended fangs, a little bit Sharpie. And that's him, y'all. Feel free to tap into the lives anytime, guys, when I jump on. Turn on them live notifications, guys, so you know every time I go on. Because I need you guys to support, man. I need you guys to keep backing me so I can keep working on being one of the best. Appreciate all the jewelers out there, man. Not hating on anybody, not competing or comparing. I'm just doing me. Thank you, guys, and one love. Y'all stay positive, man, out here. This is white gold. Once again, this is a 10-piece. These are on the website for about $8.97. Be going up later on today. You can pick 10K, 14K, 18K, 22K. I'm also going to put it to where you guys can select whatever kind of gold you want. If you want yellow gold in this, you want rose gold in this, you want white gold, which this is, you can get that, y'all. It's whatever you want, whatever your flavor. All right, y'all. Appreciate your neighbor. Stay positive out there, guys, and we're going to continue to keep working hard. All right, now. Peace out.